I'ma let them know, man. Yeah. P-Cast Raps, you heard? Yeah. Yo. You already know that this nigga's getting dough, and I don't give a fuck, man, about them hoes. And I do this shit because I supposed to do this shit all the time, man. I gotta show ya, nigga, regardless if I did look at your fucking shoulder, nigga, I don't care, nigga, cause I do this shit, nigga, need to share, nigga, share the wealth, nigga, cause I do it all the time, man. Stay quiet, man, I do it stealth, nigga, I take your health, nigga, you don't give a fuck, nigga, all them bad choices, man, nigga, you going to hell, nigga, I sell, nigga, I breathe out, nigga, do this shit all the time, nigga, I'll figure it out. Snitch ass niggas get killed, do them dirty, nigga, like jacuzzis and cut their fingers, man, once they figure it out, nigga, but you already know, son, that I'm saying the shit that does my mind, the shit without the nine. Nigga, you already know, man, study dough, and them niggas, man, acting up, we want them hoes, we want them hoes, and we tell them how it goes, that's why we do this shit, we're going for the throne, nigga, fuck all them mighty goons, that's why I do this shit, and do them dirty, nigga, with them goons, what the fuck, nigga, this nigga a buffoon, I do this shit, nigga, and I make it real new, get you stomped out, nigga, all over the avenue with a pair fucking New Balances, fucking acting up, nigga, and being a bike, nigga, but advancing, saying all that bullshit, nigga, I gotta hack this fucking tricked out like Van Helsing, nigga, you ain't doing nothing, man, you just fucking posting, that's why I'm so high like roller coasting, I don't give a fuck, nigga, I'm just showing. You already know that I come over here with them funkin' dough. Nigga, I don't care about them hoes, cause I do this shit, man, and I make it known. Nigga, Cast Raps.